Unfortunately, we are all familiar with that musty smell of clothes. Simply doing some laundry is usually not the solution. The unpleasant odor is caused by mold, and not every detergent is able to remove it. Fortunately, there are other cleaning products that can get the job done. We explain how to proceed. Mold in clothes. A sweater that has been in the bottom drawer of the closet for too long, a towel that has not been immediately removed from the washing machine, or a shirt that you bought at the thrift store for next to nothing. In general, these are the textile items that often have a smell on them. This smell is usually caused by fungi, but don't worry. This doesn't mean the garment can't be saved. You can give your clothes a fresh odor and a second life with the help of baking soda and vinegar. What not to do? First of all, there are a few things you shouldn't do to get rid of the musty smell in your clothes. For example, do not use a detergent that has a strong perfume, as this will mask the musty smell, but may not remove the fungi, in which case, the musty smell will quickly return. Also, don't use fabric softener, as a residue of the softener can build up and grow new mold. Finally, give your washing machine a good clean. This device can actually be the source of fungi. This is not surprising when you consider that your dirty laundry and a lot of moisture come together in the machine. Fresh in 3 steps. What would we do without vinegar and baking soda? These 2 remedies once again prove to be indispensable in the household. These simple ingredients are also the solution to remove mold odor in clothing. On the next page you can read how to combat the musty odor in your clothes in 3 easy steps. Wash with vinegar. First, wash the clothes with vinegar. To do this, set the washing machine to the highest temperature, unless the clothes cannot handle this. Distribute the clothes as evenly as possible in the washing machine and pour a large glass of white vinegar over the clothing. Then run the program without detergent. The acids in the vinegar help fight bacteria. The fungi will have largely disappeared after this wash. Wash with baking soda. When the vinegar wash is done, start the next step. Spread the clothes in the washing machine again and now sprinkle the fabric with a large cup of baking soda. Run the machine again at the hottest temperature and without detergent. Baking soda has a neutralizing effect so that the remaining odors disappear from your clothes. Dry in the sun. Can you let the clothes dry outside in the sun? Be sure to do this. The rays of the sun have a disinfecting effect, which will kill even more bacteria. If hanging your clothes outside is not an option for you, then put the clothes in the dryer on the appropriate program. After this, the clothes may still have a hint of staleness. If so, repeat the above steps, but use a smaller amount of vinegar and baking soda, half a cup instead of a full cup.